Hello everybody, Jack here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to give the Touareg, which is behind you, a bit of a wash. It's the first proper wash I've given it, which sounds bad considering of how long I've had it now. It's been May, June, July, August. It's probably nearly been 3 months, so it's long overdue a wash. So we're going to give it a wash. I'm going to take you with me. I've got some new bits of kit which I'm excited to use, hence why I'm filming it. Otherwise I'd probably just clean it. But I've got some new bits and pieces. Got a new jet wash for my birthday the other week, and I got some new bits to go with it, including this little spray gun with some different nozzles, a brand new snow foam bottle and lance, and a few other little bits. So yeah, let's get this car clean, and hopefully it's satisfying for you, because that's all we want out of a video like this. So some sort of before shots, you can see sort of just how dirty it really is. Just general road grime from driving it from the past few months. There's a couple of scratches there which might come out. We might have to get them polished out properly. You can see it's just filthy. That. So yeah, let's get it cleaned. So we're going to start out with this back left wheel. We're just going to do one on camera and then I'll crack on with the rest. But yeah, let's give it a go. I don't really know how to clean it. Like, I know how to clean a car, but I don't know the tricks of the trade. So any valeters that are watching or detailers, let me know where I could improve for next time. So we got an old grubby sponge just to get some of this crap off the tyres. So yeah, while we're just cleaning up this wheel, so what's been going on? Well, not a lot. Car wise, not a lot. Touareg's been pretty good to me. Drinks feel like it's going out of fashion, but it's been going well. What else? We've started doing some work on the Mini. Just like little bits here and there. We tried to actually, make some decent progress on it the other week, but the supercharger belt tensioner has packed in and has said no. And so I need to get a new one of them. They're not cheap, unfortunately. They're about 70-80 quid, so yeah, that's gonna have to wait. But yeah, that's sort of the next step. Once we've got the belt on, we can get it running, get some oil in it and coolant, and get it running and get it bled. And it's brake calipers, brake lines. There'll be a video on that soon because I'm going to be doing the front brake lines on it. I wasn't going to do it, but I thought, well, if I'm here and I've done the backs, we're putting new braided lines on all round, and new calipers and pads and discs. I thought, well, it'd be silly of me not to do the front hard lines, really. So we'll be doing that in a video, hopefully soon. The calipers are a good couple of £100 as well, so might have to wait a little while for that. Right, that's the barrels are then washed. Let's just give the centres some love and attention. Some new Brits have brought a detailing brush. Don't know if they're any good. Amazon's finest. But they look like they're going to do pretty well to get into these spokes here. Is that satisfying enough for you? I do quite enjoy cleaning cars, but then I sort of detest doing it because well, not even next week, probably like by Tuesday, it's Saturday today, by Tuesday this will be destroyed, all my hard work, but it will look good for Monday. Right, I'm pretty sure that's all the hard to reach areas. There is something on here, and I don't know what it is. I was hoping it was a bit of dirt or something, but it's not coming off. Let's give them a spray. I'm pretty happy with that. That looks a damn sight better than it did anyway. Hopefully you can see the sort of difference. The camera might not pick it up too well, but those are filthy. And these are gleaming. Oh yeah, the camera picks that up. I'm well happy with that. So, on to the favourite bit, my favourite bit, probably everyone's favourite bit, snow foaming. So I've washed the wheel bleeding stuff off the wheels, that's all good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snow foam it after I've just sprayed it down. Give it a chance to just eat into whatever's on the car. Give it 5 minutes or so, grab a drink, then come back, wash it all down. Then I'm going to snow foam again, and then this time I'm going to use some shampoo with a mitt, just agitate it, get around there with the brushes, just get into all the nooks and crannies and just really give it a good wash. Wash all that off, and then I'll probably go on again with the mitt and just shampoo and just give it one last wipe over, then wash it off, and then we're pretty much done. But anyway, here's the new spray bottle foam thing. This might seem straightforward to you lot. I'll put links to this in the description, it's pretty good. I would have assumed more means more foam. It doesn't. More means more water. So there you have it. There's me thinking this is a pretty shit foam cannon. No foam, just mainly water. Then I turn the knob. So this is some turtle wax snow foam, and it smells like bubblegum. It's really nice. Well, it smells nice. Can't say I've tasted it. Probably should have used a funnel. Oh well, it's done now. The floor is clean. Anyway, let's get this on. I've decided against the 2 lots of snow foam because putting it on full uses a lot. So I'm going to fill the bucket with fresh water, go around, give it a contact wash with a mitt, and then get into all the hard to reach places with a brush. That looks nice. So that's the contact wash done. I need to get this washed off nice and quickly because it is starting to dry. So let's get it jet washed off and then see how it looks. And there we have it, one lovely clean Volkswagen Touareg. Looks a hell of a lot better. Really, really pleased with that. Definitely worth putting in the hard work and effort to get it done. Really, really pleased. So now the Touareg's nice and clean, let's chat about this bad boy. Those that are new to the channel, it's my Mini R53. It's been with me since 2018, and I've still got it. It's the longest I've ever owned a car, and yeah, still here. Obviously it's been parked up for quite some time now, and like I sort of touched on earlier, we started doing a bit of work on it and just found out we needed more stuff. Money plus time equals no time for the Mini here. It's in a bit of a sad state, but yeah, hopefully we'll get those parts for it soon. Good couple of £100 to spend. So yeah, just need to get that together really and get it sorted. It doesn't really want a lot more. It needs the belt tensioner, oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid. It needs front and rear calipers and flexi lines, front hard lines. Then it just needs everything refitting, and then it's good to go. I do have a deadline for it. It needs to be done and ready and test driven for the 1st of May next year. So when I get married to my partner Chelsea, and this is the wedding car, at least for me, Owen and Tyler and Jake. But yeah, we need to get it sorted, and it needs to have been painted as well, so there's that too. But yeah, we are very much still working on this at some point. It's still here. A few people have asked on Instagram if it's still here. Yes. So yeah, Mini. As for me, what have I been doing other than not making videos? Working is what I've been doing, a lot of it. For those that watched one of my previous videos last year, along with a few other people, started an IT business, an IT support business, and yeah, just been giving that a lot of my attention, basically all of my attention. So juggling work, running a business, and home and other hobbies and things like that. Yeah, it's been quite a lot. So, you know, working on cars, as much as I enjoy it, and I've really enjoyed cleaning the car today, and seeing it clean is just so satisfying. You know, there's as much as I love doing that, the downside to it is that it does cost money. And when you're saving for a wedding and a house, you know, it's quite hard to justify spending a decent wedge of money on something. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. Like I say, a few more parts to buy and a bit of labour to do, to be honest. So I think I'll drag Owen and Tyler out and we'll get it done. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting, satisfying. If you've got any tips for me, make sure you leave them in the comments, so that I can improve for next time. Like I say, I enjoy cleaning cars, but I wouldn't say I'm good at it. I'm definitely not a detailer. So let me know if there's any tips or tools or anything like that that you think would be useful for me, and I'll check them out. But as I say, thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.